It's deadlines. That was the focus of court today. This case is now 75 days out, and the judge made clear today he will not deviate from that court calendar. Now, we heard today from both sides, complaints that one side and the other were not providing witnesses, transcripts, and in some cases even responses to the other side. Judge Walmsley said he's not going to tolerate any delay or games, he said, and he will be accepting motions for sanctions. That's punishment for the lawyers involved on September 1st. The judge plowed through almost a dozen motions today. He heard arguments about whether media should be allowed during the individual voir dire of jurors. That's a kind of individual questioning. We're going to hear now a little sound from the attorney representing Greg McMichaels, Laura Hoff, and the attorney representing media, Tom Clyde.
There is hardly a week that goes by that we don't receive toe-curling emails or voicemails because the nature of this case.
We do very much object to the closure of the voir dire process, the individual voir dire process, on a systematic basis.
So today the judge said he's not going to make a decision on that question of allowing media in for those individual questionings, but he may later today take up the question of whether the video showing Ahmaud Arbery being chased and then killed can be shown to the jury in opening statements, and that's before it's formally introduced in evidence. So we expect to hear some discussion of that later today. There's going to be a lot more motions heard today. I'll be in the courthouse all day. I'll be there, give you an update probably today around 5 o'clock, and we'll let you know then what the judge has decided on all of these motions. In Brunswick, Ann Schindler, First Coast News, on your side.